Yeah, you start. Spinelli, please start up. Okay, thank you. Hi guys, I just found out that I'm in the team of the season, and I'm gonna try to guess what is gonna be my new card. I know you like it. It's fine.
It's wrong, eh?
It's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. It's 6.
98.
I will start with the main one. It's gonna be 90. 6. Okay, after this the pace will be around 85. Shooting, of course, I score a few goals this season, so I think they have improved a bit. Say 70, even if it's not my best point, but okay, I try to improve always. Passing, it's gonna be around 86. Dribbling, well, I don't take a lot of man 1v1, but this one I think is gonna be just 77. Defending, obviously, is my main job, so I will update to 94. And physique would be, say, 86. Let's see if I get a bit closer. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, that was not further. It's more pace, I'm shooting, more passing, more dribbling, defense. Just the one I got 1 point more, and physique a bit more as well. So yeah, I got an upgrade from last season, and you know, you try always to improve and to get higher ratings. So I'm happy with this car as well. Hopefully all the users can enjoy that. I'm really happy to be in the team of the season, and hopefully you can find my card in the packs. Good luck to everyone.